In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams, both before and during a meeting, along with important details you'll need to know along the way. If you ever run meetings on Teams, giving the right permissions to your guests can be crucial for a smooth and productive session. So, let's dive right into this topic. First, let's discuss how to assign a guest as a presenter before your meeting begins. Start by scheduling your meeting in Microsoft Teams, or, if you prefer, through Outlook. Sending the invitation is a crucial step, and it's important to ensure your guest receives the invite via the appropriate link. The correct link ensures that they enter the meeting with the proper settings applied. Once you have scheduled your meeting, navigate to Teams and head over to your calendar. You'll want to open the meeting you've set up and then click on Meeting Options. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the Meeting Options pane, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Who Can Present. Here, you have a few choices. You can choose Everyone, which allows all attending, including your guest, to present if needed. Alternatively, the Specific People option lets you handpick who among the attendees can present. If you go with this option, simply select your guest from the accompanying list. Lastly, there's the Only Me option, which ensures only you have presenting capabilities. Once you've made your choice, be sure to save these options. This step is vital as it guarantees that your guest will have the presenting permissions you've set once they join the meeting. Now, what if you decide to assign presenter permissions during the meeting instead? Not to worry, that's quite straightforward too. As soon as your meeting begins and your guest has joined, look for the Show Participants icon, which typically resembles a people icon on the control bar. Clicking this will display a list of everyone in the meeting. Find your guest in this list, and next to their name, you'll see the More Options button, usually depicted by 3 dots. Click on that, and you'll see the option to Make a Presenter. Selecting this will immediately grant them presenter permissions, allowing them to share their screen and perform other presenter duties right there on the spot. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your guests have the access they need to contribute effectively to your meetings, whether you've handed them the reins before the meeting starts or decide to do so during the meeting itself. As always, remember to review and confirm your settings to avoid any hiccups when the meeting kicks off. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting!